Hello, and welcome to Adrian's Homework, Part 1, for week ending November the 22nd. In this video, I'll be going over the weekend's homework using the 1 hour time frame. Let's begin. Mark out each daily true day open level with a vertical line to separate the days. While we're doing this too, we're also going to note the previous weeks. Let's have a look back over here. We can see price has taken our external liquidity. We've got our high here, and that's been swept. We've then gone into a market maker sell model. Price has broken structure and come straight down. After an expansion week, we can expect more of a consolidation week and price to move to an internal liquidity. Next step is to draw a horizontal line at each true day open level for each day and label it TDO. Starting from Monday, I'm just copying these by holding Control, clicking and dragging each one. Makes it a little bit faster. As we can see, consolidation weeks have a few more swings in them rather than this smooth, low resistance runs. And we'll just move that to the side so it's a bit easier to see. Find and label our 1 hour change in state of delivery for the low of the week. And low of the week's taken the liquidity here. I'm just going to mark that out as well. So this swing on Tuesday became our low of the week. We have a clean change in state of delivery here. Put our little light bulb on there. And draw out our standard deviations for this manipulation swing. So we go from the low to the high that made it. And we're using our deviation template. Set out of the way a bit more. Next, we're going to draw our horizontal lines at the standard deviation points, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, and 4. This additional task, as we are in a consolidation week and price is coming back against trend, we're going to draw the horizontal line at the 1 standard deviation as well. Reason for this is, as we're against trend, price tends to just retrace from the 1 to 1.5, and then it's a good place to look for reversals. So we can see here being respected quite nicely. Okay, add a note for each high of the day and low of the day plus time. So Monday, Tuesday is 9 o'clock, and we'll call this one low of the week. $10. Thursday also 10 o'clock. New York getting majority of these moves. And 5 o'clock on Friday. About half the days in as well as we're in consolidation. 11. London getting this one. London Q3. It's what times that I like for my trading, being in Australia. And New York PM 1300. Put that back this way. Okay, add a fib level for the weekly candle. So we're going to turn on our PO3 indicator. Make sure that's set to 1 week. And using our fib, and we'll grab our TGIF template. And that needs to be the other way, reversed. So another week where price hasn't given us the 20 or 30% retracement. Okay, now you can save the chart into your Discord library, and we'll be calling this one a consolidation week, Tuesday low of the week and Thursday high of the week. Let's look at the additional tasks. Draw a horizontal line from Monday the 11th high and Friday the 15th low and add the OTE level. We're doing this to see how high this retracement can go. So I'm going to grab this high. We'll draw this across. We'll make this one a bit thicker so it stands out. Friday the 15th. Other way, and we're going to do our OTE. So dragging from here to the low. OTE settings that I use. You can save this as a template as well. Remember, that was just by going down here and save as and create your template. So you can see this price has gone down. It's retraced back to the 0.5 of this. So we're premium above 0.5 and our optimal trade entry is up here and the 16. So plausible for next week to continue up slightly higher into here, and then I'll be expecting it to come down with this low as the doll draw on liquidity. Additional task 2, draw a rectangle box on the H1 swing that caused the low of the week and drag it across to the end of the week. Add the middle line to it. Zoom in a little bit more. And we're going to grab our rectangle box. We're using this whole swing here, and we're going to drag it to the end of the week. Make sure we get the low. And we've got our middle line selected here. The idea of this is we can use this box as confluence to look for buys. As price retraces back in, and we're looking for the confluence level of the 50% of this order block. We can see it here, and then it's come back in here as well. So then on lower time frames, we can look for more confluence levels around here, and we can look for 5-minute change in states of delivery here as well. Okay. Additional task 3, draw the optimal trade entry levels for PDO to PDH, starting from Tuesday's level. Let's have a look. I'm going to zoom in again. Get our fib tool again. So we've come down for Tuesday, broken structure. You can now expect some bullish price action. We want to know where Wednesdays can retrace to. So we've got our order block. We've got 50% here. We're now going to drag our OTE up to here. Just going to take off the magnet here so I can drag it across. Keeping this at Tuesday's high, I'm going to drag that into Wednesday. And set it there. So now we have an additional confluence level of our optimal trade entry zone, as well as the 50% level of this order block. We're now going to do the same for the next day. So we're going from Wednesday's low. I'm going to go up to Thursday's high. Drag this across. And then same again. Okay. So we've done our additional tasks. Let's just get rid of this part now. Very good. So we've got our weekly range optimal trade entry here for plausible draw for price to move up into. We've got our levels of support, our confluence levels for continuation, low and high of the days, and our TGIF, which didn't play out again. And so from this, for the next following week, we're expecting price to come up slightly higher into our optimal trade entry, and then we can target this low for continuation of this higher time frame. Plausible market maker sell model. Here we go. Comes up, we expect a raid up here somewhere. Take out all these highs, continue down. Then price will do the same thing. Come up, raid, continue down until proved otherwise. Well, thanks for tuning in. Look forward to reviewing the next week, which will also be the end of November. As always, any questions, drop them into the Kingline chat. Thanks, guys.